Hello everyone, I'm Matthew with XToolUSA, coming to you from our headquarters here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're the company that brought you the fully featured bi-directional Nitro scan tool with award-winning key programming software built in, and we also introduced the sleek and fully automated Triton key cutting machine, designed for experienced professionals and novice users alike. The first option is this. It's an OEM equivalent transponder key that will allow the customer to access and start the vehicle at a much more affordable price point. This is the second option. It's an OEM replica that offers the same form, fit, and function as the original key that came with the vehicle. This is a more premium option that can be offered at a slightly higher price point. And the best part, our system covers roughly 80% of the vehicles sold here in North America. This is hands down the easiest way to add dollars to your bottom line without adding stress to your day. And to show you how easy it is to utilize this system, my colleague Tyler will now show you the process of cutting a key and programming a key to a vehicle.
Hey guys, my name is Tyler with XToolUSA. Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to cut and program a key for a Toyota Corolla. So the first thing we got to do is grab our original key from our customer. We're going to come over to our Triton machine, and from the main menu here we're going to select automobile because we're working on a vehicle, and then we're going to search by year, make, and model. Starting with make, we're going to look for Toyota and select that, and then we're going to select Corolla, and then we're going to select our year range, and then it's going to display a picture of the key, the jaw, what key to use, where to place the key, everything you need to know for the cutting process. Now it's going through that self-calibration process. It's going to make sure that the key is in the correct place, and once it does that, it's going to come down and it's going to trace each cut, and it's going to display those cuts on the screen for us as we go. So while it's doing that, I'm going to come over to our kit, and we're going to look for the correct year, make, and model on our kit. We're going to grab the corresponding key, and then we're going to set it to the side. All we're going to do is we're going to lift up the shroud. We're going to take our customer's original key out. We're going to place our new key inside of the machine to the same position. Nothing different. Load it exactly the same as you did with the original key. Tighten it in nice and snug and hit cut. And that's all it took. Our key is now done cutting, and now we have 2 duplicate keys that we can go program to this vehicle. To start off, I have my VCI box below the dash here. It's already plugged into the OBD2 port. We're going to take our original key. We're going to switch it to the on position. Not cranked, but just to the on position. And then we're going to go to special functions. We're going to go to immobilization and hit agree. Now I'm going to look for US Toyota, which is right here in the top left for me. And since we have an existing key and we're just adding a second key, I'm just going to go to add a key here. It says insert the program master key into the ignition and switch the ignition on, which it already is, so I'm going to select yes. And so now it's saying insert the new key into the ignition. Security light on the dash stopped blinking, which means our key is successfully programmed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my key out, I'm going to put it back in, and we're going to try to crank it with our new key. And perfect, the car starts right up. So now this is a remote head key. So now we're going to be programming the remote. So I'm going to go to remote. I'm going to hit program remote. So switch ignition on. We already have the ignition on. It says open driver's door. The driver's door is already open. And we're going to close our driver's door here, and I'm going to test my remote. This remote is working perfectly fine. Trunk opens. Panic goes off. Lock and unlock works, so that's all there is to it. Program a key in for this car, in and out.